Hello, hello, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Welcome to Julie's Stamping Spot here on YouTube. Over the course of 2021, I have shared 145 videos. Oh my gosh, there's so many favorites. And through the end of December, I'll be sharing a project playback, a favorite project from over the last year, which is going to be a new weekly series in 2022. I can't wait to rehash and look back at some of these projects. Now, some of the things I'll be sharing are using products that are no longer available, but I hope the project ideas will inspire you to use what you have at home, or if you want to go shopping for some brand new stuff, you can do that at juliedavison.com/shop. I recently surpassed 2 million views here on YouTube, and I can't wait to see what the new year is going to bring. Our goal before the end of the year is to reach 20,000 subscribers, and it's crazy to think that only half of the people watching these videos have subscribed. So please, if you enjoy Julie's Stamping Spot videos, please like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends. I can't wait to share even more in the new year, but until then, I hope you enjoy these project playbacks. Thanks so much for watching. Today's card is a little tricky with the paper trimmer, but I'm going to walk you through it. So grab a half sheet of cardstock and let's get started. All right, so this is the card I'm going to show you next. This is the corner fold card, and I did this one years ago and brought it back last month. I demonstrated it at our team holiday party to show off this Touch of Ink stamp set. So I thought I would show you today how to make this fun fold card. And like you may have seen it before, so this may be review, but I was inspired by the Oso Ombre designer paper. So I've got the pink flower and the green leaf. And so I'm going to do a third card using the butterfly. And, oh, I've got one more card over there. I better pull that out before I forget. I'm going to use Bermuda Bay, which is the, another color from the Oso Ombre. And let's see. I've got my pieces pre-cut and my stamps. Let me stamp the images first, and then I'll do the special cutting. So Touch of Ink is the stamp set that we're using. We're going to do the outline of the butterfly in Memento Black. This is a 2.5 inch piece of Whisper White cardstock. And I'm going to do another one on the inside. Oh geez. So just a quick note, when you're stamping for the inside, because this is going to fold down, you want to stay away from putting stuff over here unless you want it to show through. But if you have just a corner showing through, then that doesn't look so great. So keep your image on the inside, of the inside. And then it won't peek out if you don't want it to. So here's the two-step, and the two-step doesn't fit exactly. It's not designed to line up and coordinate perfectly, so it is going to go outside of the edges a little bit, which is fine. It's meant to look like, you know, just a watercolor kind of image. So this is going to go over the bit for the front as well. And then oops, I need to save that out for later. Okay, let's get some glue. You could dress up this butterfly a little bit if you want to with some Wink of Stella or something else on the wings, but I just kept it really clean and simple. And then I've got the designer paper. This is 1 inch by 4 to go on the inside. Okay, are you ready for the fun fold part? We're using a regular card front. So this is 5.5 by 8.5, and I will include the directions in the description of the video when I'm all done. So we're going to start, I already did this by scoring at 4 1/4, and then we're going to move the card to 3 inches. Oh gosh, now I'm going to get all mixed up again. Yes, okay, 4 1/4, then I move it back to 3 inches. So the score line is at 3 inches, and I'm going to use the cutting blade. So we have talked about this before. No, this is not right. Okay. Why does this always mix me up? I'm sorry. I scored it 4 1/4. I'm moving it back so the edge is at 3 inches. And then I'm going to cut from 2 1/2 inches down to 4 7/8. So on the paper cutter, on the blade, there's a line. That's where the cutting edge is. So this is the line there is what I'm lining up against the ruler on the side. So 3 inches right here on the side, 2 1/2 inches, and I'm cutting down to 4 7/8. And then I'm going to turn it 90 degrees and I'm going to line it up at 3 inches again. And this time I'm going to start my cutting blade at that line. And I'm going to go up to 5/8 inch. So that's right there. Okay, so what you have then is an L. And the L should be the right way, like an L is. And we've got this square line over here. So let's move this out of the way. I did it right. Yay! I didn't mess it up. And then we're going to take our bone folder. I had one out. Maybe I accidentally put it away. We're going to take our bone folder and we're going to flip the L. You're going to push it through. And then you're going to use the bone folder to get a good even crease at the top and the bottom of the diagonal. And then we'll fold on the score line. So this is called the corner flip card. So you cut and then you flip the corner. Isn't that cool? It's just kind of a different fun fold. I'm going to use a glue dot in the corner just to hold that down. You don't have to glue it down. I like to use a glue dot because I don't want any of the adhesive to then be flipped on the inside. So a glue dot is perfect because really you just have the edges where you can put adhesive and it not affect things. So we're going to put then this square on the inside. Again, the measurements for this, 2 1/2 inches by 2 1/2 for the white, and then 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 for the black. And then the inside is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And that's going to go right inside here. And so just to finish this off, these cards are really, oh my gosh, that was almost a disaster. These cards are really clean and simple. That is my style. Clean and simple. You, of course, can dress it up as much as you want at home. You can add ribbon, you can add designer paper down here, you can add Wink of Stella, you can add rhinestones, you can really customize and make this card however you want. But this is how to do the corner flip card. That's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share so you don't miss out on the next Project Playback video. See you next time.